Hello everyone, welcome back to class again. Today we are going to learn conjunctions. Everyone know conjunctions when we are joining two sentences or two words or two clauses. That time this word is called conjunction. But these conjunctions are very important because that conjunctions introduce to you clauses. Because next step of grammar there we will learn about the clauses. And we will also learn compound sentence. What is the means we are transfer compound into complex, complex into simple like this way. And for that these conjunctions are very important. And that's why we know we want to know about. We must know about the conjunctions. And see here conjunctions there are two types. Means main two types. Coordinator conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. Coordinating and subordinating, or coordinator or subordinator. What is coordinator? Means conjunction also can be classified compound conjunctions, and means these are the common type compound conjunction or correlative conjunctions, because these are formed from these words only. Means compound conjunction or correlative conjunction, these are formed from these coordinator and subordinating conjunctions. Now see, first we are going to see coordinator conjunction. What is coordinator conjunction? Coordinator conjunctions that join the clauses of equal rank. Means it introduced to compound sentence. It introduced to very important. Means it introduced to compound conjunctions. Coordinating conjunction that introduced to compound sentences. Compound sentences that introduced to compound sentences. And for means which are the these, because these clauses join the equal rank of sentence. Equal rank of sentence means which are related to main clause. Equal rank means main clause, which are not depend to each other. With this sentence joined by the coordinating conjunction. Then which is the coordinating conjunction? That also very important. Which is the coordinating and which is the subordinating conjunction? It is very important you have to know about that. See here which is the coordinating conjunction. For, and, nor, but, or, at, so. These are very important coordinating conjunction. How you have to remember these? If you keep in mind that fan voice. If you keep in mind that fan voice means F means for, A means and, N means nor, B but, O or, Y at, yes so. In fan voice. Like this we have to keep in mind this concept. Means it in shortly it is very easy to remember this word. Means this coordinator conjunction. If you remember this word fan voice, then you can understood this which are the coordinator conjunction. It is means understood coordinator conjunction that join the sentence, join the clauses which are equal rank. Equal rank means that sentence introduced to compound sentences. Compound sentences. Now subordinator conjunction. What is subordinator conjunction? See here. Subordinator conjunctions connects clauses to another on which depend for its full meaning. Means there is one main clause and another depends. Means that dependent clauses depend on the main clause. Means that conjunctions join the main. Subordinator conjunction connects a clause to another on which depends for its full meaning. Means there is one main clause and dependent clause. Means which join with the conjunction of subordinator. And how you are remind that subordinator conjunctions? If you remind WH word, means that question word. Mostly we are using for which are the subordinate conjunction? WH word. With the help of WH word, we are joining the complex sentence. Means subordinator conjunction introduced to complex sentence, and coordinator conjunction introduced to compound sentence. Like this way you have to keep in mind. Means here one main clause and dependent clause that join with the subordinate conjunctions. Which are these words? When, where, while, what, who, whoever, wherever, or how, although, though, till, before, unless, as, after, because, if, that, since. These are the subordinator conjunction. You have to remind it's mostly WH word for subordinator conjunction and fanboy for coordinator conjunction. Okay. Means also there are correlative conjunctions and compound conjunctions also. Means for example, these form this word and then, means it is a compound conjunction. When you are using and then, that time these words are compound conjunction, or neither nor, either or. These are the correlative conjunction. Not only but also. These are the coordinating conjunction. So that this is the compound conjunction. Means like this way, from this word also we can make the compound conjunction and correlative conjunctions also the coordinators. Okay. Like this way we are introduce the conjunction. It is very important for when we are going to learn the compound, complex and simple sentence, how to means transfer this sentence to compound to complex or complex to simple, or clauses also, means types of clauses. When you are going to learn, that time we want to know about that coordinating and subordinating conjunctions. Okay, thank you.